Hey, what's up guys? So welcome to my channel Degen Kid. In today's video I'm going to show you how to kind of identify support and resistance when looking at these charts on TradingView. So I've got here the Bitcoin Tether USD chart on the daily, and yeah, generally when we look at support and resistance, you want to try and find levels that your candlesticks touch the most, I guess, and that kind of indicates to you where key levels on support and resistance are. So generally, when you hit a point of resistance, the price of the coin is not going higher than that. It seems like it's a ceiling, I guess. And when you hit a level of support, the coin basically drops down to that level and doesn't drop below that, because it kind of works like a floor, I guess, to put it into a different kind of context. But the support and resistance, really, when you're looking at a chart, it should be pretty easy to identify those areas. I mean, it shouldn't really be too complicated. So for example, if we just insert a few trend lines, so if I go horizontal line, so the first key level of resistance here is obviously right at the top there. So we hit that point and that was the level of resistance. We haven't broken out of that. And as we kind of go down this chart, you can then see, another level of resistance was this area here. So if I just click that, so again, the coins hit that sort of area, went back down, came up again and hit that area. So you can see there, touches it pretty much twice. And then we've got some support around this kind of area. So again, there's a lot of touches that are going on there. So if we go again and put a horizontal line in here, so again you can see, the price of the coin reaches up, hits that level of resistance, comes back down, hits support, bounces around a little bit there, and generally, yeah, touches that kind of support line quite a lot. And if we keep going down, so you can literally just identify, where there's various touches, what are the key levels. So yeah, we can keep going down this chart. So if I just put another one in, so another area of support was around here. So so you see there, we had it could also be looked at as an area of resistance. So there, at this point, the 53,000 was a area of resistance. It broke down and then it kind of broke out of that resistance level, and then we had that also as a support as well. So it's kind of worked as a support and resistance in this instance. And then we just keep going down this chain, and I guess you could say here as well is another level of support and resistance. So if we add another line, so just around there, so you can see, previously we hit that level of resistance, prices came down and then broke out, and then here we've hit that level of support, prices then came up, bounced around for a little bit, broke lower, and then you can also see here again, we came back to kind of hit that level of resistance. So there's multiple lines on here that kind of work as support and resistance equally. But yeah, that's kind of how we identify support and resistance. So the lines need to be it needs to be visually simple for you to quickly identify where support and resistance is, and you just need to have multiple touches within that area, and generally that then locates that was a key area where the coin was kind of traded, I guess, at those levels to keep it within that kind of range, if that makes sense. So if we look more recently here, we can see Bitcoin hit, there's a level of I guess a level of support right there. If I just put in another line, so if we say around there, you can see there's multiple touches, hits that level, goes up, hits that level, goes up again, And again, at the moment, we hit that level, went up, and we're kind of coming back down to that support level of 19,337. So yeah, and I'll just throw my little price prediction in there. Obviously not financial advice. The way the day's going, I think that level there will end up eventually hitting that 19.3 again, and probably even go lower with the way the market's looking. But again, that's just my view, not financial advice. Hope you enjoyed the video. Try to make it simple. Smash that like, smash that subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.